Hello, friends. Welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Adam. This is your cozy corner of the internet, where English becomes simple, fun, and part of your everyday life.
Together, we learn through little moments, ordering food, asking for help, chatting with people, or just telling your story.
We teach with clear examples, friendly conversations, and short stories that help. English stick in your mind.
So you can speak English naturally and confidently. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. And today we're taking you to a place that's full of energy, sweat, and sometimes a little pain. The gym.
Yep, our episode is called At the Gym, talking about fitness goals. And don't worry, you don't need to lift weights to enjoy this lesson. Just relax and enjoy the story. So, Adam, I went to the gym yesterday.
Wait, you? At the gym? I thought your workout was running to the fridge.
Hey, that was one time. Ha ha. Okay, here's what happened. I walked into the gym feeling nervous. Everyone looked so confident. People were lifting heavy weights, running fast, and I thought, oh no, what am I doing here?
Aw, that feeling is so normal. I felt the same on my first day.
Really?
Yeah. I went to the gym to get strong, but after 5 minutes on the treadmill, I felt like a baby deer trying to stand.
Aha, same. But then a trainer came and asked, what are your fitness goals?
Ooh, the classic gym question.
Let's learn a few useful fitness words you can use at the gym. 1. Fitness goals. Meaning what you want to achieve at the gym. Example, my fitness goal is to get stronger. 2. Warm up. Meaning light exercise before you start working out. Example, I always warm up for 5 minutes. 3. Treadmill. Meaning a machine you run or walk on. Example, I ran on the treadmill today. 4. Workout routine. Meaning your planned exercises. Example, my workout routine includes push-ups and squats.
My fitness goal is to get healthier.
I warm up before I exercise.
I follow a workout routine.
I use the treadmill to practice running. Great job.
So Alice, what did you tell the trainer?
I said, my fitness goal is to not fall off the treadmill.
Haha. Very realistic.
But seriously, I told her, I want to feel stronger and have more energy. She smiled and said, perfect. Small steps every day.
I love that. In English, we say, Rome wasn't built in a day. It means big changes take time.
Yes, and she helped me create a simple workout routine. We did a warm-up, some stretching, and light weights. And you know what?
What?
I actually enjoyed it. I felt proud, even though my arms still hurt.
Here are some expressions you can use at the gym. Can you show me how to use this machine? Do you have any beginner workouts? I'm working on my fitness goals. I'm trying to stay consistent.
I'm working on my fitness goals.
I'm trying to stay consistent.
Can you show me how to use this? Nice job.
If you're learning English and trying to get fit, remember, both are like exercise.
Yes, a little practice every day makes big changes over time.
You're doing great, really.
Thank you for joining us today at Amjee's English World. We hope this gym story helped you learn and smile.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs English or motivation for the gym.
Keep going, keep learning, and we'll see you next time.